How's it going, guys? So I figured I'd make a quick video here. I made that last one. I realized I never really showed my own LTR that was basically the first one I rebuilt. I'm about to do some work on it, so I figured I'd do a little quick walk around video. But this is my baby, really. So about 2 years ago I rebuilt this whole thing. Powder coated the frame, Nerf bars, full rebuild on the engine, powder coated the cases, Cerakoted the head, DRWK saver. Let's see here, graphics on it. Got the monster exhaust, the O2 sensor bung welded in. Let me pull this seat off here. This is all factory seat too, from 06. We got the Vision Air intake. So got the CCP steering stabilizer on there, JD Performance A-arms, AC bumper, Nerf bars, headlights gone. I got this light that goes in here just for when we're riding through a campground or whatever at night, so I don't have to have the light bar on. But that's it, nothing crazy. It's got some engine work done, ported polished head, big bore stroke. That's about it. But I'm gonna do some work, put some new handlebars on it, levers, cable, a few other things, but that's about it. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want me to do with this, or if you want to see it in some riding videos on its own or whatever. But that's going to be its own quick little video, just that little walk around, and I'll separate it and make a video of putting this other stuff on. But thanks for checking it out. Let me know. Bye.